I just love a holiday cake that is easy and simple to execute, but looks a little bit more complicated than it actually is. So this kawaii cute reindeer cake is perfect for your holiday table. I used one 9-inch round cake layer cut in two, and then I frosted and filled the inside, flipped it on its side so the bottom half is sitting flat against a cake board, frosted the whole outside, and then I used chocolate buttercream, a piping tip, which is a multi-opening tip. So this is a tip that's used to make grass or fur. I always use it to make fur, or sometimes those textural shag cakes. And I used a large one, so this is Wilton number 234. You can find a large multi-opening tip anywhere online though, at any large marketplace or at cake decorating shops. Just ask for a large grass tip or a multi-opening tip, and it creates the perfect furry texture. So I'm going to just pipe the entire exterior of the cake to make our reindeer nice and brown and furry. So now I'm going to do the sides as well, and all you're going to do is squeeze that piping bag and pull up to create the little short strokes. If you wanted to do longer strokes, just hold the piping bag and pull up and then release. And look, we have a furry friend. Next up, we have our fondant pieces that we're going to place onto the cake, and all you do is gently press into the buttercream. And that's just using fondant and some cookie cutters to cut out the shapes. And you can also just form those pieces by hand. You could also use buttercream frosting to make the face. And I always have to do the cute little pink kawaii cheeks because I think that just makes it extra cute. I used wooden skewers and fondant to make the antler shapes. And of course, I did the same with the ears, and you just gently poke it right into the cake, just like that. Next, I'm going to actually frost the ears as well, and that just adds some continuity to the cake, and it adds just some furry extra cuteness to the ears. So carefully do the sides, and then for this cake, I do the back as well. So just turn your cake around and just kind of frost to cover up the white fondant, and do the other side as well. And after that, I'm going to add little berries. So I didn't actually have red candies. I probably should have checked before I started my cake, but so I just used whatever I had, little round gummy candies, and a leaf piping tip just to make some greenery and foliage and to give it more of a holiday feel. So I did that on both sides, and then I did it on the front as well. The leaf tip kind of gives it a holly-like, I guess, leaf texture. And finish it off by just piping a little bit more of the greenery on both sides. And again, I used orange, but you can use red for more holly berry like look. And there you have it. You have a very cute and simple kawaii reindeer cake, perfect for your holiday table. I hope you have a great holiday season, and thanks always for watching.